Dance with me.
Back and forth. Move my body back and forth.
तो जैसा कि मैं आपको बता दूं, आज हमारे कैंपस में मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ में कुछ नया होने वाला है। तो होने वाला है जैसे कि आप देख पाएंगे पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ जो है सजी हुई है। जैसे दुल्हन एक सजती है वैसे यूनिवर्सिटी आज सजी हुई है। बड़े भैया यहाँ पे उपस्थित हैं और ये सारे हमारे हैं, ये कैमरामैन लगे हुए हैं एकदम पूरे अपने सिस्टम के साथ। ये यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ का मेन द्वार रहा है, अगर आप देखेंगे तो यही से यही एक ऐतिहासिक गेट रहा है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लखनऊ का। आइए हम जानना चाहेंगे जो हमारे सामने ये दीदी हैं, ये आज कुछ बताएंगे कि क्या है इसमें।
हेलो, तो हमारे कॉलेज में मूट कॉम्पिटिशन हो रहा है, आइए आप लोग।
हाँ,
बहुत सारे कॉलेज उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है।
कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट की हैं?
दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, लॉ वाले सारे।
अच्छा, मतलब ये दीदी का कहना ये है कि इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, BHU, मतलब अगर बात
फिफ्थ नेशनल मूट कॉम्पिटिशन है, इससे पहले 2023 में
अच्छा,
हुआ था,
अच्छा।
फोर्थ।
अच्छा, 2023 में ही इसका जजमेंट आएगा, क्योंकि ये जो हमारे यहाँ चल रहा है ये पूरा इसका सिनेरियो जो आ रहा है ये करीब कल से ही स्टार्ट है ना? हाँ, कल से ही स्टार्ट है। तो आज इसका हो सकता है जजमेंट आ जाए कि क्या क्या हुआ है। तो मैं पूरे जजमेंट को आपको दिखाने का भी प्रयास करूंगा। ब्लॉग में बने रहिए।
Submitted before this honorable court, the humble petitioner beseeches the council requests the honorable bench to kindly lay emphasis on page number 17, issue 1 from the memorial. Your honorable bench, the first issue is whether the subdivision of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe categories based on economic criteria constitutionally valid.
Okay, but before that, there is one fundamental thing always when you are arguing before the Supreme Court or before any court. Why are you not addressing us on the maintainability of this petition? How would you establish that this petition is maintainable and tractable? You must establish that.
With all due respect, your honorable bench, the maintainability of Article 32 is given as per the argument. We are appealing under Article 32 but not Article 226 because of the concept of constitutional hierarchy. And as a substantive question of law has been raised in this case, and Amit Nath has filed a petition against the Union of Women which addresses a large public and a larger interest and the infringement of fundamental rights. So the petitioner cannot plead under the jurisdiction of the Article 26 as it is an exhaustion of remedy.
Right. Now you
The council will be establishing the first issue on two grounds. First, refocusing reservation benefits and constitutional basis for economic reform. Second, economic disparities in SC/ST communities and judicial support for economic criteria. The council requests the honorable bench to kindly lay emphasis on page number 17 and 18, clause 1.1 and 1.2 from the memorial. The first round affirms that the petitioner humbly respectfully stated that oppressed communities urgently requires re-evaluation to address socio-economic disparities within SC and ST groups. Applying reservations solely on caste without economic criteria violates Article 14's right to equality by benefiting the economically privileged within these categories, leaving out the truly disadvantaged. Introducing economic criteria is constitutionally permissible and essential to prioritize the most benefited. The petitioner argues that the current government
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone?
And the focus should on the genuinely uplifted individuals. Your Lordship, also the petitioner, one on being financial restraint, raised a concern regarding the subdivision of marginalized communities on the basis of economic criteria. Your Lordship, the proposed subdivision is consistent with Article 14 and 46. Your Lordship, the Supreme Court in M. Nagaraj versus Union of India emphasized that the state must show the backwardness of the community, the inadequacy of the representation, and the need for reservations in promotions, and thereby balancing